Hello guys, in this video I will guide you on how to change the audio or sound output on your Sony Google TV, and the process is quite simple. So if you basically have an optical cable or a HDMI cable from an audio device connected to your Sony Google TV, what you want to do first of all is to head over to the settings, usually at the top right corner of your Sony Google TV. Now select the settings icon and then you just want to scroll down to display and sound settings, select that. Now scroll down until you get to audio output, go ahead and select that. And then to change the audio output on your Sony Google TV, you just have to select the speakers option over here and then set it to TV speakers if you actually want the audio from your TV speakers. But if you want the audio to come from any other external device like a HDMI device or an optical cable device, you want to make sure you set it to audio system. Now the audio system on most Sony Google TVs automatically recognizes other audio devices connected to your Sony Google TV and automatically sets the TV output to that audio device. You want to also make sure you set the audio system prioritization on. This is actually to enable the feature where it automatically recognizes audio devices. And then finally, if you have HDMI devices or HDMI output devices like your speakers, you want to make sure that eARC from over here is actually set to on or auto but not turned off. This is specifically for HDMI output devices connected via the HDMI ARC or eARC port on your Sony Google TV. And that is basically all you have to do. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel, guys.